Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Sunburst chart in Excel. Sunburst charts are a great way to visualize hierarchical data, giving you a beautiful multi-layered circular chart, perfect for representing data categories and subcategories. Let's get started. Here's the example data we will be using. This data represents sales in an organization across different regions, divisions, and product categories. The table includes 5 columns like shown. The first step is to make sure your data is arranged in a hierarchical order, starting from the largest category, region, to the smallest subcategory. For Sunburst charts, there is no need for a column header specifically labeled sales, but we can use it for reference later. Next, select the data range you want to visualize. In this case, I will select all 5 columns from region to sales, including the data under each. Now go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon under the Hierarchical Charts. Click on the Sunburst Chart icon. Excel will instantly generate a Sunburst chart for your data. Once the chart is generated, it might look plain, but don't worry, we will customize it. Add a chart title. Double-click the default title and rename it to something like Sales Overview. Adjust the chart colors. Click on the chart, go to the Chart Design tab and choose a color scheme that makes the chart pop. To make it easier to read, right-click on any data label, choose Format Data Labels and check options like category name or value to display relevant details. You can also adjust the font size to make all the labels visible. The Sunburst chart is now complete. Let me quickly explain what you're looking at. The center of the circle represents the largest category, which is, in this case, the region. The outer rings represent subcategories like division, product category, and subcategory. The size of each segment reflects its proportion in the hierarchy. For example, you can see how much each division contributes to the overall sales. Sunburst charts are particularly useful for showing relationships within hierarchical data, whether you are tracking regional sales, organizational structures, or any other category subcategory relationships. This chart makes your data both informative and visually appealing. And that's it. You have just created a Sunburst chart in Excel to visualize hierarchical data. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you're ready to create your own beautiful charts now. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on other Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.